was working on this embroidered mask, and it's from Embroidery Library. Here's the number X15544, and it's a bee and a flower. So they have an actual tutorial on there about making the mask, and they have templates that you can print out. So I did the size medium. Here's the actual outside of the mask, and then it has a lining, so it's a little bit smaller. It's just on the ends here, and then it has also a pocket for your nose wire. So that's embroiderylibrary.com. And then I found a tutorial. I was watching a commercial about copper infused mask, and they had a built-in lanyard. And I thought, what a great idea. Instead of having to make fabric lanyards, which that's what I've been making, I thought, why not have it built into the mask with the elastic? So I found one tutorial on YouTube, kgramscreates. And she said she uses these locks, elastic locks. I got those on Amazon. And then she uses 45 inches of elastic. So what I did, I took out the old elastic. I just made these for my mom and my sister and washed them and everything. So that's why they're kind of wrinkled. What you do, I use a knitting needle and put the elastic through just a little bit and feed it through the top of the one channel of the mask. And then you pull it through. And then you're going to find the other end of your elastic, and you're going to feed it through the same way. So it goes through this way. So now you have both ends out of the needle, and you're going to come around and put in the locks. So there's a big end and a small end, and you're going to put the needle through the big end first. So that feeds your locks on. Let's put less elastic for it to go through. Okay, the big end again, not the little end. Feed it through. You can take those out. And then you're gonna try to loop it around so it's even. I'm gonna pause and do this and then show you when it's done. Okay, I got it evened out. So I just pulled it through here, pulled it through the mask, and got it pretty much even. So now you take the top, this cord here, you kind of try to find it, make sure it's even. And here it is, and I put it back into the needle. And you're going to come around into the top part of the other side of the mask. So you're going to put it through the channel, pull it out. And then you're going to tie the two ends to a knot. And I just do it one time because once you pull, it pretty much locks really tight. And then I just trim off the ends. And then you feed it through to hide the knot. And I'll take the needle and kind of feed it in there a little better because it's pretty thick. If your channels are wider, it's a lot easier. Okay, so then we want to make sure these are going to go all the way to this side. And these are going to stay over closer to this side. But we want them to be even. Like that. And then this side, I'm going to pull this a little closer. And there you have your lanyard. You have your ear loops. So when you put your mask on, got your loops and your lanyard.